everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail from both the sides. Then take both the sides and then tie them together. Divide them into two parts. Then pull out one part of the hair through the gap of the other part. Then roll it upwards and then take one part again to make it through the gap of the other part. Repeat the same process just like that. Then take another part of the hair and then tie it again just like this as shown in the video. Repeat the same process until you get used to the above two parts. It should look like layers of flowers suspended beautifully upon the back side of your hair. Then take all the remaining parts, tie it and then secure it properly, pushing it through the gap and then rolling it downwards. Take the lower part and then make a plait and then suspend it properly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then take one part of the hair from below and then insert it inside the other part. Take both the parts together and tie plait with both the two parts. Then keep taking small strands of hair from one end of the middle ponytail to the sides of the side pigtails so that it looks like a mesh-like structure suspended freely from your hair. It can also look like fire web. Take your hair from the sides and start tying the plaits, which looks very elegant through the back. And then when you are completely done with tying the plaits and then securing it properly, then continue it to the sides of the hair as well, just like this. Then roll the other part in the form of a snail and then tie it properly with a pigtail or a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail from the side. Then take all the two sides and roll it upward, passing it through the gap of one another. Then take the below part of the hair and tie pigtails out of it. Then roll the above part and then secure it properly with the help of a pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail just like this. Then when you are done tying the ponytail very tight, tie it half and take the lower part and keep tying plaits with that lower part of the hair just like this. Roll the lower parts about and beyond the ponytail part and then secure it properly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then suspend that ponytail through the gaps of one ponytail and then repeat the same process of tying the hair and then moving it upwards, giving it a heart shape look and then a juda or a heart shape or a ribbony look. Do it in 3 layers just like this, and then when you are about to do the 4th layer, take the below part and then secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Thank you for watching.